Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make this spooky yet chic haunted house luminary using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's craft. So for this project, you're going to need 2 of these wooden haunted houses from the Dollar Tree, and also this piece of wood. I found it in the crafter square section of the Dollar Tree. It looks like it's for a sign, but I'm going to use it as the support for the house, along with some black acrylic paint. So let's get on with this part. So you're going to take the acrylic paint and just paint both sides of the houses along with the wooden block. I prefer to paint it by hand because sometimes the spray paint looks extremely matte on the wood. Even though that when the acrylic paint dries, it's going to look a little mattish, but I do prefer to use acrylic paint. So let's continue with painting both sides of the house along with the little wood block. So now that I painted both sides of the house, I'm going to take white acrylic paint and do the ghosts. The same thing, paint them on both sides. This way, in case anything shows through, you'll have paint on both sides. So let's do this part, which is really super quick and easy. Now that the paint has dried completely on everything, I'm going to take glitter glue and do an outline and add some decorative accents all over the house. I decided to use this glitter glue because it's easy, it's quick, and it holds very well. So I'm going to go around the windows. I'm going to go around the edgings of the house to give it a little sparkle so it won't look so dreary, I guess. Let's continue. So I let the glitter glue dry overnight. One, because I wanted it to dry completely, and two, I didn't have time to finish this last night. Now the next thing we're going to do is assemble the haunted house, and I'm going to use hot glue on the edges of the wood block. The hot glue is enough for this project because these pieces are extremely light. They don't weigh anything at all, so the hot glue is perfect to attach them. So I'm going to attach one side on one of the edges of the wood block and the other side to the other edge of the wood block. So let's continue. So now that the house is done, it's attached, I'm going to add a little bling to the center of the house and to the two little side roofs to give it a little extra bling. Once I'm done with this, this project will be done. Super easy, super quick, really, and it looks fantastic. And to light it, I'm going to add some tea lights, battery operated ones that I got at the Dollar Tree, so it could light up. And let's finish this off. So now this project is done. It is ready to display, and I am very thrilled with the way it came out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.